Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the EXO GearLocker 10 cubic foot cargo box for the EXO hitch system from Yakima. The EXO GearLocker Cargo Box is rugged and lightweight. It easily attaches to Yakima EXO SwingBase or to the second tier EXO TopShelf. It comes with a lock core pre-installed to help keep the contents inside secure. Installing the GearLocker is quick and easy. On your EXO SwingBase or EXO TopShelf, switch the pins to the unlock position and fully loosen the knobs. Place the EXO GearLocker onto the arms, making sure the cleat system on the box is properly seated in the groove on those arms. From there, fully tighten the knobs located on the arms, and make sure those pins are put back into the lock position. Finally, go ahead and lock up both knobs to prevent them from being loosened while the GearLocker is attached, locking the box to the system. Test the connection of the GearLocker to the EXO system by giving the box a few good shakes to ensure it's securely mounted. At this point in the video, the EXO GearLocker is fully installed on your EXO hitch system. All it's left to do is unlock the box and load up your gear for your first adventure with your great new storage solution. This concludes our video on the EXO GearLocker Cargo Box from Yakima. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.